What's up, lads? Back at it again. It's May 13th, 10:40 p.m. Shout out to Jay Fang because that is my boy's birthday today, May 13th. Happy 24th. I love you, broski. I love you till I die. I love you. I love you. You are my world. I love you. Okay, so we're back. Just came back from Suzhou. Suzhou was a very pretty place. We went to study, finished my DSNA course, so now I can fully focus on NAND to Tetris. Um, and then after that, so the project that I'm gonna do, I guess my capstone project for DSNA would be implementing a order book. And then after implementing the order book, I'm gonna learn about NAND to Tetris. I'm gonna learn about um what was it? I'm going to learn about the sequencer pattern and then actually implement a lock-free ring buffer uh, data type, data structure. That will make the order book even quicker. So I feel like it's a step-by-step process, right? So I implement the order book first without the lock-free stuff, without the bells and whistles, and then I do the sequencer and then make it even quicker, right? So and with the simple order book, I can simply do with a single thread with simple DSNAs. So utilizing the knowledge that I have right now, that's what I can do. So that's what I'm gonna do. That being said, we back at it again. We can try this one, I guess. Total characters in string after transformations one. Okay, you are given a string. Oh, also, I'm still in Shanghai. I'm gonna go back on the 17th. Great trip. About to 叫一点美团外卖 right now, because I'm feeling a bit hungry. Anyways, you are given a string S and an integer T representing the number of transformations to perform. In one transformation, every character in S is replaced according to the following rules. Okay, so given an S string, I'm gonna do T transformations. In one transformation, every character in S is replaced according to the following rules. If the character is Z, replace it with the string AB. Otherwise, replace it with the character in the alphabet. A replace with B, B replace with C. Okay. Return the length of the resulting string after exactly 7 transformations. Return modulo 10 to the power of 9 plus 7. The fuck? So A becomes B, B becomes C, C becomes D, Y becomes Z, and then Y becomes Z. Okay. All right. And then it will be C, D, E, A, B, A, B. Okay. All right. Sure. This feels kind of fucking weird. Um, so I'm guessing it's a queue procedure. Um, I'm thinking it's a queue, right? I'm thinking it's a queue of characters. And then I will call it temp, right? And then for string S, for char character in S, I will push it to the queue, right? I think Q C++. I think it's push, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure it's push, it's not push back. Oh, it is push back. I'm retarded. So push back. So now I have everything in the queue, right? And then I will have int I equals to 0, right? While how long could the string be? Uh string could be only one. Okay, sure. So while I is smaller than t, right? Because if it's once, then 0 is smaller than 1. Yep. Okay, and then the final will be plus I. Um, so what I would do is I would okay, okay, yeah. And I don't think I can iterate through the thing. Temporary, and then what would I want to do here? I want to um I'd like to do it for the amount of times of the size of the um queue. And then I can put it in another queue so I can just while um temp is not empty. But that doesn't seem to be the best choice. So what I would do is I would iterate through um what I would do is I would iterate through uh length will be equals to 10 dot size, right? Or in I equals to 0. I is smaller than length plus I. What I would do here is is um I would go top equals to temp dot top, right? So that would be the first one. And then if top equals to Z, what I want to do is is temp dot push back A and temp dot push back B, right? Else, okay, else I will temp dot push back top plus 1, right? Which is ASCII. Right, I think. I think this will work. And then what I would do is temp dot pop, right? Mm-hmm. Pop, right? Yeah, can I just do that? The fuck? Can I just do this? And then after I've done every character once, then I'll increment I, right? Mm. And then after this, I will get int res equals to temp dot size modulo. How do I get that? Oh, what the fuck? Frequency of each character. Why would I want that? Modulo power 10 to the power of 9 plus 7. And long, long. We'll do that first. See if it works. Okay, but now I have to return it modulo this. Since the answer may be very, very large, what the hell does that have to do with anything? There's some weird ass test cases then for sure. Some time limit bullshit, right? Yep. Mm, okay, so this approach wouldn't work. Um, so I have to take the hint of maintain the frequency of each character. Ah, okay, okay. Yep, yep, yep. I see where he's going with this. So if I have an unordered map, right, of int, of char and int, and then this would be named frequency, right? This is to track the frequency of each character, right? And then I'll have for auto C and S, so for each character, and let's be more explicit here. For character in S, then I will append this will plus plus, right? This will plus plus, and then so uh for n I equals to 0, I is smaller than t, and then plus plus I. So I do this t amount of times. Um, I do this t amount of times, and then for and then I will have a string that is a copy, right? String copy equals to s. So for um no, I don't even need this because I already have the map, right? For iterator equals to frequency dot begin, right? So I'm iterating through the map, and then iterator is not equals to frequency dot end, and then iterator plus iterator. So I'm iterating through the map, and then if iterator dot first, if iterator dot first equals to z, right? If it's equals to z, then frequency A will plus plus, in addition to frequency B going plus plus, right? Yep, that is correct. Else, iterator dot first, else frequency iterator first will minus minus, and then we will plus plus iterator first plus one, right? Mm-hmm. And then we will do that for, so if it's A, mm, right? And then what I want to do is I want to I want to I want to add all of the frequencies. Okay, wait. So frequency, no, so length. Oh, shit. Okay, so in length will be equals to s dot length, right? Mm-hmm. No, let's do result. So in result will be equals to the length of the string. And if this happens, then res will plus plus, right? Else it doesn't change. And then, so now res will be equals to the final length of the string. And and now I want to modulo it by 10 to the power of 9. This is the part that I don't really get. Like this will always return a problem, right? Return it modulo 10 to the power of 9 plus 7. Okay, I feel like this is a clue somehow. I don't really get it, if I'm being honest. Let's see if this works first. Okay, something went wrong here. Oh, because I'm changing it as it goes, so that would be a problem. Hmm. Right, so that would not work. It's not equals to zero. No, this should be while it's not equals to zero. It's not equals to zero. If iterator first equals to z, then I'll do this. And then I have to decrement the first still, and then plus a plus b, right? And then I'll plus result because there's one more now, and then because it's still not zero, then now should work, right? Okay, okay, it does work. However, 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 I feel like there's some sort of time limit that is hit here. Wrong answer. Jesus Christ. What? Y? X and P. So X, Y, Y. What is the edge case here? Let's see. X and P. Okay. A, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, right? So the first one would be like somewhere here. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Okay, so right now it's this, right? One and P is also one. Iterator second is zero, so I skip, 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 skip. Right, boom, 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 boom. And then now I'm here. It's not, and then it's not. So I will go here. I will minus this, right? And then this. Will go. Not iterator second is 0. So it will go to the next one, right? Oh, I see. Wait, what? Wait, do I even have to iterate through this? Because as long as, okay, wait, I think I have something here. I don't even need this. But I will need this. So I have result, which is 5. And as many as this wants to change, as long as it's not more than 26, it will be, the length will not change, right? So it's every time it passes a z that it will change. Therefore, it's something modulo. I see what it means now. So the ASCII, I can just turn them all into ASCII, right? Um, plus T. I'm thinking like T, right? T divided by 26. So let's say it's 50, right? Then T divided by 26 will be 1, right? Then everything will be moved by 1, and then T mod 26 will be equals to 24. So everything beyond A and B will plus 2, right? I think that's right. Okay, so T cycles equals to T divided by 26, right? And then res will plus equals to res times, wait, res will equals to, it will multiply itself because every character becomes 2 characters by cycles, right? Hmm. And then I'll have to check the modulos. I'll have to check the modulos. If character, okay, and then for character C and S, if character plus T mod 26 is larger, if it is larger than Z, then res will plus plus, right? And then I'll return res. Let's see if this works. Let's try if it works. No? Hmm. Oh, t equals a 2, so right. So what would happen with like double cycles, right? What would happen with double cycles? So wow, this is a very interesting question actually. So A, if I plus 26, if it's 25, then it becomes Z. If it's 26, then it becomes AB. If it's another 26, A after 26 will become AB. After 26 will become A will becomes AB, and then B will becomes B after 25 will become AB, and then after 26 will become, wait, what? A after 26 will become AB, B after 26 will become, after 25 will become Z, and then after 26 will become AB. A after 25 will become Z. So B after 24 will become Z. After 25, after 26. All right. Wow. I don't really know how to do this, to be honest. Um, Very interesting. So maintain the frequency of each character. How would that help? Maintain the frequency of each character. Character. Put them in a map. What happens after I put them in a map? Okay, I don't really know, actually. Let's look at the solution, I guess. It's a DP question. Fuck. Damn. Jesus. Jesus. It's a dynamic programming question. What the fuck? Did not ask for this shit. What the fuck, fam? Okay, skip. I gave it a crack. I tried my best. It's not gonna happen, sir. Sir, I'm just gonna do add two numbers, I guess. The fuck? Oh, I've done this before. I swear to God, I've done this before, so I'm not gonna do it. Um, fucking give me what? Give me an easy one, please. Add binary. This sounds easy enough. Have I done this before? Have I done this before? Lemon ice, I got baby. I'm myself. I'm myself. Let's do it. Return their sum as a binary string. So 12, and then you have to put it as a binary string. I see. Okay. So let's stowy. So stowy A plus stowy B, right? Now I have the result as an integer, and then now I have to have a string s, right? And can I append it to a string? Can I do that? I can do that. Okay, beautiful. So while res is not equals to 0, right? If um how would I do this? So string, I will divide it by 2 first. And then if it's equals to 0, then it's gonna be 1. That how I do it? So 12 mod 2 equals 0, right? And then I will make it 6, and then res will divide equals 2. So it'll be 6, and then mod 2 will be equals to 3, will be equals to 0, and then it will be equals to 3, and then mod 2 equals to 1. So it should be 0, and this should be 1. Okay, and if it's 2, 0, 2, 1, then this mod 2 will be equals to 1. Then divided by 2 will be 1, 0, 1, 0. And then mod 2 will equal to 0. And then 5, 0, 5, right? Mod 2 will be equals to what? 2, 5. No, it will be literally 1. And this divided by 2 will be 2, 5, 2. Oh, what, 2, 2 by 2, right? 1, 2, and then 6. No, 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 no. This is not the way I do it. Oh, I don't know how to do this. Um, I don't know how to do this. Seems pretty easy though. It's something remainder, right? Something about the remainder. Yeah, append and reverse is what I was thinking about. Something along those lines. It seems this is the way to do it. Is there not an easier way to do this? I feel like there is an easier way to do this. Let's ask the almighty AI. I feel like there is a better way to do this. Give me the optimal solution. Shit. Home soon. Da, da, da. I'm in Shireen's ass. 嗌想食咩？我會揀蟹黃小籠包，or 我會揀串串，or 我會揀唔係，我覺得嘢飲一定要嗌咯。不過睇你想唔想嗌埋其他嘢食咯。嗯哼，就係咁誇張。其實事情有時就係咁浮誇，就好似我唔係識做呢題 fucking lead code 咁樣，真係好賴浮誇。怎麼說？Come home sooner. I'm in charades. Okay, so it's literally the leak code. Okay, well, fuck you then. I'm just gonna look at this. Okay, fine. Fine, fine, fine. Finish this, call it a day. Fucking Jesus Christ. Okay, let's see. So I have string result. And then in carry equals to 0, in I equals to a dot length minus 1. And then this would be JBBNT, you know what I'm saying? Okay. While I 0 or J 0 or carry. All right, so if any of these are bigger than 0, as big as than 0, carry plus or equals to a gam I gam. Like, what the fuck? What does that even mean, dog? Okay, so I would be what? Nani? Did I fuck something up? Does this matter? Maybe. Maybe it does. Mm. Why is this wrong? 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 Mm, 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 mm. Okay, let's see. Initialize the variables to keep track of the carry during the binary addition. If there are remaining digits in A, add the value of the current digit of A to carry. Move the pointer A to the next digit leftward. Compute the current binary digit and update the carry. What does that mean?
Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the rhetorical question is subsequence. Okay, simply all we have to do is just to count characters. Look at this one.
Boy, what? Okay, can you explain? Sure. Mm, 咩面啊？咩？算啦嗌飲咯。啊，他即係個嗌飲嗰度有啲咩 chill 啲嘅 food，so I guess. So I have to carry. That'll be one, that'll be zero, right? Some shit like that. And then result will plus or equals to carry 除以加零 carry 除等於 which will either equals is one or zero. 唔係喎，除等於。Bro, what the fuck? I don't really get it, if I'm being honest. Carry mod ye. Hmm. One, and then carry divide equals zero, which would be zero. Okay. So there's no carry. So two. The result plus or equals to carry divide mod two, which would be zero. What the fuck? Two will carry. And then one. Walang What the fuck? Oh, fuck.我真係唔係好明喎呢個，我真係唔係好明喎。Why is this such a simple problem but so difficult? What the fuck?
Hey everyone, welcome back. And let's write some more neat code. 1, 1, and B is just 1. So we want these together, right? So let's go back to elementary school, add these together. What happens when we add 1 and 1? Well, we get a 0. This is binary, remember? So we get a 0, and then we get a carry 1, right? So we're going to carry a 1. We're going to put it all the way up here, right? So now we move to the next position. We add these together. We add these two ones together. What do we get? Again, we get a 0 because remember, we're doing binary. And we also end up getting a carry over here, right? So we get a carry over here.
Am I stupid? Oh my God. I always thought this was 12. Oh my God. Okay, so this is binary. Brother, given two binary strings A and B. Am I dumbass. Okay, now it makes so much sense. Res plus or equals to carry. So this would be 1 0 1 0 1. Brother. Okay, I get it now. All right, whatever. Peace. Goodbye.